Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on POCO F6 Pro. To do this, first we'll need to enter our settings, then navigate down to the system or additional settings, and right here we can find gesture shortcuts. Now the first one is for a Google Assistant, so when we enter it we can press and hold power button for half a second to enter our Google Assistant and call him out. Then we have take a screenshot. There's two options. First, slide 3 fingers from top of the screen to take a screenshot. Next one is press volume down and the power key at the same time to also make that screenshot. Next one is a partial screenshot. You can hold 3 fingers onto the screen to take a partial screenshot. Then there's launch camera, and there's two options. First is double press the power button to enter your camera settings. And the other one is double press volume down button when the screen is locked. Next is turn on the torch, and here you can replace it with the camera. Now press on the power button twice, and that way you enable or disable the flashlight. And the last one is a back tap. Here you can customize this feature. So there's double back tap and triple back tap, and you can pick a different function for it. For example, for a double back tap, we can take a screenshot, and for triple back tap, we can go for the calculator. Then pick up your phone and double tap on it. That way you make one of the actions, and triple tap to open the calculator, as I said. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.